Alright guys, this video is to show you how to change the blinker bulb on the 2013 Dodge Durango and how the Zevo Super Bright LED by Sylvania, the 7443A, the factory bulb in the 2013 Dodge Durango is a 7444NA, which is natural amber, and the A on the 7443 is amber. I'm going to show you how these are not brighter. The factory lens is a clear for the blinker, and let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, the plug is right there. A simple turn to the left. Let me give you an idea of where it's at. And then you just pull it right out. Let me show you. Now you don't want to really get your fingerprints on the bulb. It'll leave the oils on there, and it's not good for the bulb, especially over a long period of time. If you want to hold that for me. It's a little hot. And as you can see, it's somewhat of an orange tint to the bulb already. Set that right there. And I will plug in the Sylvania Super Bright LED. And as you can already see, it's not really that bright. I'll also show you with the blinkers on. There you go. And as you can see already, there's a big difference between the two. The one on the left being yellow and the one on the right being orange. The brightness is definitely a huge difference. As you can see, not as bright. If you start the car to kind of give you a better idea. Actually, we can throw on the emergencies. As you can see, the one on the right is almost 10 times brighter factory versus the LED by Sylvania. And I was very unsatisfied with how it came out. So I will personally be taking them back. Definitely not as bright. It doesn't fill the entire housing of the blinker itself. The only positive thing from it is the actual blinkers on the rear view here. They are LED, so it does flash with them. hand in hand versus, you know, being off somewhat. But I definitely would not go with the Sylvania super bright LED headlight or blinker bulb. So, and then whenever you put these guys back in, if you ever have to, you want to make sure that the lens on them is pretty clear. You know, wipe them off with a rag of some sort, get all the oils off before you plug them back in. But definitely not doing the Sylvania super bright LEDs, the Zevo style, which is supposed to be a lot brighter, which I imagine is their brand of Cree and amber. I've tried the red just to see what it looked like. Was not satisfied with that one as well. I do run the rear tail lights, the blinker lights on this Dodge Durango with the Sylvania super bright LED, and they do come out very nicely. Show you these. This is more, I mean, the video does not do it entirely too much justice, but the lens here is actually a solid red versus the factory bulbs comes out somewhat of a brighter orange. In my opinion, this works a lot better than factory. It's a lot faster. You can buy a resistor and put it in to kind of keep some of that flashing away. I do get a message that pops up in my dash that the blinker light is about to go out. You know, a simple resistor would solve that problem, but definitely between the two of these, I prefer this one over that. This is the Sylvania 3157R, and that bulb is definitely better than the factory, but unfortunately not for the front. Again, just to show you guys, yellow versus a very bright orangish yellow. Alright guys, thanks for watching.